Good evening. It's my pleasure to share with you the speech entitled After the Marathon Writing Workshop. With a satisfying click, I submitted my final piece, which marked the end of the marathon writing workshop. Immediately, a wave of relief washed over me. Indeed, the challenge was immense, but the rewards of overcoming it were equally remarkable. In early June, I created my July action plan, which consisted of 10 goals, and 6 of them centered around writing. They included engaging in the marathon writing workshop, establishing a writing routine, searching inspiration from various sources, experimenting with different writing techniques, celebrating progress and achievement, and reflecting on the experience. Looking back at the first 2 weeks of July, I take pride in having successfully achieved all the goals I set for myself. Regarding the writing journey, the term marathon writing truly lives up to its name. It generates intense and demanding pressure that pushes our participants to produce daily writing for 14 consecutive days. While creating multiple pieces may seem easier in comparison, continuous writing for 2 weeks proves to be highly demanding. Luckily for me, I have learned to best use the power of the momentum that time carries. By riding the time train, moving forward with it, day after day, week after week, and year after year, I eventually found satisfaction in my progress. Before the marathon writing, I came across a quote by the American coach John Wooden, which goes, "Don't mistake activity for achievement." The wisdom behind his words immediately resonated with me. What the coach emphasized was that in order to produce tangible results, tasks must be well organized and highly executed. Otherwise, they are no different from the children running around a playground. Motivated by this realization, even before the marathon writing began, I had focused on achievement, going beyond mere plans or activities. After completing the marathon writing workshop, I'm grateful for my decision to accept the challenge and for taking John Wooden's advice to heart. Now, at this moment, as I stand at the finish line, I'm contemplating the result, the meaning of accomplishment. To me, it means an increasing level of self-worth, self-respect, and self-confidence. Now, I can proudly say I made it. Thank you for your attention.